Hi, this is Suze from CBS 6. I just want to report on a little status here at Northside where neighbors lost 3 huge city trees. There were sycamores. Here's all my neighbors cleaning up after the city came after a week to remove them from the property. Okay? And over here are about a half dozen more city workers observing quite carefully the removal of the rest of the tree. So they pretty much told us they don't rake, but they do observe. So if you got a tree down, the city comes, just so you know. You'll have a lot of people monitoring the situation as it occurs.